cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking onto the subscribe button as well as the notification bell beside it so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. For today's video guys, I will be sharing with you how I created this makeup look using full face of makeup products worth under 200 pesos. So if you're interested to know what makeup products I've used to create this makeup look, then just keep on watching. By the way guys, yung mga products na ginamit ko for today's video is halo-halo na siya. So meron tayong mga local makeup products, meron din mga drugstore makeup products, and then meron din akong mga ibang products na nabili from Shopee. So halo-halo na siya, but I'm pretty sure that all of the makeup products I've used for today's video is under 200 pesos lang siya guys. So very affordable and sulit na sulit tong mga makeup products na i-share ko sa inyo. So again, if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by filling in my eyebrows, and right now I will be using my favorite eyebrow pencil as of the moment, which is the Focallure Artist Sketch Eyebrow Pencil. And ang ginagamit kong shade guys is si 042, and na-mention ko na dati tong product na to sa isang video ko, and I have been loving this kasi very fine lang yung pencil niya, and para sa akin sulit na sulit siya kasi may kasama na din siyang refill ng mismong eyebrow pencils. What I like about this eyebrow pencil guys is that it is very pigmented, so you don't need to apply too much pressure. And like I said, very slim tong pencil na to, so you can get really nice hair-like strokes. And then I use the spoolie to blend out all the lines that I've created on my eyebrows. So now that I'm done filling in my eyebrows, I will now apply my Got To Be Glued Spiking Gel. And ito is specifically used for the hair, but I love using this for my eyebrows kasi talagang naho-hold niya yung eyebrow hairs ko into place buong araw. As in, sobrang ganda nito. If you have stubborn, straight eyebrow hairs, guys, make sure to try this one out kasi para sa akin, nag-work talaga siya. Right now, mukhang okay naman yung eyebrows ko. So now, let's move on to the eyes. So the first thing I will be doing for my eyes is to apply an eyeshadow base or an eyeshadow primer. So ang gagamitin ko for today is the Detail Cosmetics Eyes on You Long Wearing Eyeshadow Base. I got this long time ago pa. I think 150 pesos pa lang ata siya dati. For today's eyeshadow look, guys, I wanted to create something sultry, smoky, super blended out eyeshadow look. And before I apply any powder eyeshadow, gusto ko munang mag-apply ng colored base. So for that, I will be using the Squad Cosmetics Multi-Purpose Mousse Cream in the shade Toast. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of this product at the back of my hand. And then, I will be using an eyeshadow brush to apply this on my entire eyes. As in, ilalagay ko siya sa lids, sa crease, and then ibe-blend out ko yung edges. So, the reason why I am applying this before I apply any powdered eyeshadow is that this will help the eyeshadow look more smoky and magmumukha siyang mas blended out using this one. Kasi etong shade na to, magsisilbi siyang parang frame ng buong eyeshadow look. So, the first eyeshadow palette I will be using for today's video is the Squadlet palette from Squad Cosmetics. This one specifically is in the shade Sneaky. And I will be using this medium tone warm brown shade. And I will be applying this using a large fluffy brush on my crease area. So, ngayon naman guys, gagamitin ko si Squadlet palette in the shade Shy, and I will be using this cream shade right here to highlight my brow bone area. So, after that guys, I will be using this shade right here from the Shy Squadlet palette, and then I will be using this for the outer corners of my eyes. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, dalawang brush yung ginagamit ko to apply this shade. So, ginagamit ko tong flat shader brush right here to pack on the eyeshadow on the outer corners of my eyes. And then, meron naman akong blending brush right here to blend out any harsh edges. So, going back kay Squadlet palette in the shade Sneaky, gagamit ko naman tong darkest shade right here. And I will be using this to further define the outer corners of my eyes. For my lids guys, I will be taking this Quad Mini Eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude. And I will be taking this shade and this shade for my eyelids. So, the next thing I will be doing guys is mag-a-apply lang ako ng brown eyeliner sa tight line ko. I will be using this eyeliner from Essence. This is their long-lasting eye pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate. And I love this one guys. Super creamy niya and hindi siya nag-smudge sa akin. So, I'm just going to apply this on my tight line. So, right now, I'm just going to curl my lashes. So, for mascara, guys, gagamitin ko na lang tong mascara from Pink Flush. I forgot the exact name of this mascara, but ito lang kasi yung meron akong 200 pesos and below na mascara sa collection ko. So, I will be using this one. For my falsies, guys, gagamitin ko tong Glad King 3D Mink Lashes in the style 01. So, medyo dramatic tong lashes na to. Perfect for mga smoky eyes. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko. So, as you guys can see, na-apply ko na yung false eyelashes ko. And later on, tatapusin natin yung eyes. But for the meantime, mag-start muna tayo with our base makeup. Sa primer, medyo nahihirapan ako kasi wala ako masyadong mga primers in my collection na under 200 pesos. Pero meron ako dito si Focallure GlowMax. I'm not actually a huge fan of this primer, pero it works naman. So, gagamitin ko siya for today's video. So, for foundation, guys, I have been recently loving the Focallure StayMax foundation. I also love their Cover Max foundation as well. Pero for today's video, I'll be using this one. And I am in the shade 03 Cream. And then, hinahaluan ko siya ng onting 04 Beige. So, I will blend this out using a brush first. And then, afterwards, I will blend it out further using a damp sponge. So, as you guys can see, sobrang ganda ng finish ng foundation na to. I love this foundation so much. Talagang na-cover up niya yung mga discoloration and imperfections ko sa face. So, right now, after ko i-apply yung foundation using a foundation brush, gagamit naman ako ng sponge to blend this out onto my skin para matanggal yung mga streaks ng brush and mas mukha siyang seamless sa skin and mas maganda yung lapat sa face natin. So, after applying the foundation, let's now move on to concealer. For concealer, gagamitin ko si Careline Acne Spot Concealer in the shade Oriental. And I will be applying this on the high points of my face as well as underneath my eyes to cancel out any dark under eye circles. Then again, I will be using my damp sponge to blend this out. So, before I set my foundation and concealer, guys, gagamitin ko lang ulit si Squad Cosmetics Multipurpose Mousse Cream in the shade Toast for my contour. Ang gusto ko kasi dito, guys, is talagang mukha siyang natural tignan sa face. So, gagamitin ko to as my base for my powder contour. So, now to set everything, guys, I will be using the Dr. Sensitive All Day No Sebum Blur Powder. So, gustong-gusto ko tong powder na to kasi talagang nakaka-mattify and blur out siya ng face. And at the same time, very affordable siya. For contour, guys, gagamitin ko tong si Pink Flash Contour Powder in the shade S01. And gagamitin ko lang to sculpt out my face. For my blush, gagamitin ko tong si Maffick Amber Powder Blush in the shade 04. Kung interested kayong malaman yung other details about this product, make sure to check out my review and swatches video for this blush. I will have the link on the I button as well as on the description box below. For highlighter, guys, gagamitin ko tong si Hojo or Hojo highlighter. And I love this highlighter, guys. Sobrang affordable ng highlighter na to. I think below 150 pesos lang to. And sobrang ganda niya. As in, ever since na-try ko to, hindi ko na to tinigilan gamitin, guys. So, ganito yung tsura ng highlighter. And this one is in the shade 02. Ito yung medyo gold. So, as you guys can see, super nice talaga ng highlighter na to. Gustong-gusto ko talaga siya kasi very blinding and hindi siya ganon ka-chunky and glittery, guys. I love this highlighter so much. For my setting spray, guys, I don't think na meron akong 200 and below pesos na setting spray. Pero ang pinaka-affordable na meron ako in my collection is the Luxe Organix Skin Mattifying Mist. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko to lessen the powdery finish of my face and para mas mag-melt yung mga products na in-apply natin sa face natin. So, right now, I'm just going to finish off my lower lash line and kukuha lang ako ng small pencil brush and grabbing this Quadlet palette in the shade Sneaky. Gagamitin ko lang yung first shade na ginamit natin kanina, which is this warm tone brown right here, and I will apply this all over my lower lash line. Gagamitin ko lang tong shade na to apply underneath my eyes and bababaan ko siya than the usual na application ko para mas magmukhang smoky yung lower lashes ko. And then right now, I'm just going to take another pencil brush and I will be using this Quadlet palette in the shade Shy. And I will be using this brown right here and apply this on the outer corners of my lower lashes. So, for the last eyeshadow, we are going to apply on our lower lashes. Gagamit lang ako ng eyeliner ink gold brush and then Gagamitin ko tong darkest brown right here from this Quadlet palette in the shade Sneaky. And i-apply ko lang to closer to my lower lashes. So right now, I'm just going to apply the same brown eyeliner I used earlier. And i-apply ko to all across my waterline. And then, I will be applying a little bit of mascara. Not too much kasi yung lower lashes ko, guys, is masyadong makapal. So, pag naparami ako ng mascara, medyo awkward siya tingnan. So, last step, guys, is lips. And for today's video, gagamitin ko yung all-time favorite nude liquid lipstick ko from the drugstore. And it happens to be less than 200 pesos, guys. And I think this one is already been my 4th tube of this. This is the Fashion 21 Color Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Butterscotch. As in, ang dami ko nang naubos na ganito, guys. Kasi sobrang favorite ko to. This is the perfect nude liquid lipstick from the drugstore. I love this one. And gustong-gusto ko din na very lightweight siya sa lips. And hindi siya masyadong drying. So, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And sana nakatulong tong video na to para magkaroon kayo ng mga idea kung ano yung mga magagandang makeup products in the market na sulit yung presyo and worth 200 pesos and below lang sila. Kung meron pa kayong ibang requests for future videos, let me know in the comment section down below. Hit the like button kung nagustuhan nyo tong makeup tutorial na to. Please share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!